Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PartnerStack for SaaS affiliate programs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the PartnerStack website. Click on the Get Started button located on the homepage. Fill in the required fields in the sign-up form. Provide your full name in the designated space. Enter your email address, ensuring it is valid and accessible. Create a strong password that meets the site's security criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Review and accept PartnerStack's terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Sign Up button to submit your information. Check your email inbox for a verification email from PartnerStack. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. You will be redirected to the PartnerStack portal. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace section. Browse through the available SaaS affiliate programs. Select a program that aligns with your interests and niche. Click on the program to view more details. Review the program's commission structure and requirements. If you're interested, click the Apply button. Fill in any additional information required for your application. Submit your application and wait for approval from the program manager. Once approved, you will gain access to unique affiliate links and promotional materials. Start promoting your selected SaaS affiliate programs using the provided assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.